Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm going to prepare for you step by step Bahamian crab and grits. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. I'd like to greet my people right here. To all of my members, God bless you. I appreciate you. To my subscribers, those of you who are always coming back, my OGs, God bless you too. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. Those of you who are just watching, and I know you are enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing. And when you subscribe, be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you. God bless you. And continue watching. Be sure to check out the video that shows how the crab fat is extracted from the crab. I will be linking it to this one. Check it out now. Continue watching. This method is similar to the crab and rice. Only difference is I'm using grits. So if you want to make crab and rice, follow the same step. Just like this. Bahamian crab and grits. That's what I'm making today. This is bottled tomato. If you don't have this, a ripe tomato will do, or tomato paste. Or if you don't want to, you can just cook it without. God bless you. Yes, I'm adding a little browning in my crab and grits. Now, this is optional. You can leave it out if you don't want this in your crab and grits. It's up to you. God bless you. The legs and the pinches were taken off the crab prior to me purchasing them. I don't know why, but they live a pretty long time without them. And that's how they accumulate the fat. Now, I don't know about you, but I always wash my grits before cooking it, especially if it was repackaged. Try it out. God bless you. Yes, I'm using yellow grits. You can also make this with the white grits as well. So use what you have. Don't be discouraged if you don't have the yellow grits. The white grits is just as good. God bless you. There, you want to get it completely coated with the crab fat and all that goodness before adding the water. So continue to mix it up until you are pleased that everything is coated. Continue watching. Now you have to mix this well to make sure that there's no lumps. Be sure to get all of that goodness that is stuck to the bottom of the pot. That's flavor. Try and get it up. Continue watching. To my family and friends, brand new subscribers, my viewers, I want you to know that I'm still doing it. I am still doing it, still bringing the restaurant home. I want you to also know that I still have room for more members. If you were to subscribe to my membership today, you will receive a first-time discount. Instead of paying the $4.99, you will be paying $3.99. What a deal. That's about 20% discount. Go ahead, join us today and enjoy the beautiful perks. God bless you and thank you in advance. Okay, unlike rice, if I was cooking crab and rice, I would have just allowed the liquid to evaporate, dry out. But this is grits, so you're gonna have to mix until everything is incorporated, just like that. Now please notice that the amount of water you use determines the texture of your grits. This is lunch/dinner, so it's gonna have to be a little firmer than this for me. I always believe that soft grits is for breakfast. This is dinner. God bless you. Yes, I'm using my grapeseed oil to fry the fish. Oh my word. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you have just subscribed, welcome to our family. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.